Hi, my name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for Wealth Trade Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Moving forward, looking forward for our first fundamental factor, as we could see that Fed is likely to increase their interest rate by 75 basis points. Many traders are expecting for 100 basis points to basically happen for this FOMC meeting that we will be having soon. Secondly, as we can see, Fed is not the only one that would increase the interest rate. As we can see, there are other central banks like Switzerland, Japan and UK. They are also increasing their interest rate as they are having inflation in their country, except for China. Thirdly, looking forward, we can see that the US stocks has actually fell due to the Fed policy meeting. Fourthly, as we can see that the housing permit has actually been lower prior to the past months, which actually ensures that the housing should also be lesser. However, the housing has actually rose by 10% based on last month. As we could see that the trend is bearish and the fundamental range that we are looking for is between 1600 to 1700. Moving forward with our technical analysis, as we could see, I will take you to investing.com and we will look at the daily chart. As we could see, we have three support points, and the first support that we have is 1659.81, and the second support point that we have is 1655.15, and the third support point that we have is 1647.61. And for resistance 1 we have 1674.89, and for resistance 2 we have 1679.55, and for resistance 3 we have 1687.09. As we could see that this is the support point and this is the resistance point that we're looking at based on the Fibonacci. What we could do is, let's say we would like to place our entry, we will have to check that all the technical indicators, and also we have to match it that to ensure that it is showing the same support and the same resistance, and it needs to be based on your own technical analysis as well. As we could see here, most of the technical indicators in the daily, they are showing sell. Yeah, it's a strong sell. What would happen is that we will look for an entry for sell, where we will actually go to our resistance 1, resistance 2 as well as our resistance 3. Moving forward, if we would like to confirm this, we can always look at a much higher time frame to see what are the technical indicators saying. As we could see in the weekly, it's also a strong sell, and if we could see in the monthly, it's also a strong sell as well. So we will have to look for a sell. Moving forward, if let's say we would like to have more confirmation, we can always check by using the linear regression, as linear regression is not in investing.com. As we could see on the daily chart, linear regression is actually showing downtrend. We can support this by having a strategy tester as well, where we can get Bollinger Band strategy tester as well as RSI strategy tester as well. As we can see over here, for the RSI strategy, our percent profitable is about 57.73%. This ensures that our downtrend is strong and we would be able to actually place our sell based on the three resistance points that we have. To confirm it further, we can go for our Bollinger Band strategy, which we can see at the daily, it's about 62.59%, which also ensures that our downtrend is strong at the daily. So if let's say we would like to place our sell, we can actually choose for the R1, R2 or R3, yeah, and based it on your own technical analysis and place your sell in order for you to have the trade. For any further information, kindly contact me. Have a great day.